In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front inner fender well on this Cadillac SRX. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove the wheel using a 22mm socket. Remove the wheel. I'm going to remove the mud flap. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these screws out. And slide the mud flap off. You might have a push pin holding that on or another screw. So if it doesn't come off, unscrew that. Take this screw out, use a Phillips head. Now we're going to take the screws out on the front side of it. Use the same Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to take this push pin out, just use a trim tool, get underneath. Pop it out, and pop that out. And take this one out right here, the same trim tool. And there's another one up here. The center part out and take the push pin out. Now grab the inner fender well. You want to push it towards the center of the vehicle. And it slides right out. Now slide the inner fender well in place. When it's in position, we'll take one of the push pins and push that in. And the upper one, take the last push pin and we'll slide it in there. Push it down and take the screws, get those started on the front. Now tighten these down, just snug. And we'll put this screw in that goes underneath the mud flap. Get that lined up and screw that down. And line this up. Make sure the holes line up. Put the screws in. Get those started. And we'll tighten these down. If you had a push pin underneath here, you want to push that in right now. Now put the wheel on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 111 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.